Mahirap. Tulad niya ng una-una, yung electrical, tapos yung design, pagde-design ng mga parol. Tapos yung combination ng color. Yan, dapat magaling ka dyan. Yun ang pinakamahirap. Tapos pagguhit ng rotor, paano maglalaro yung parol.
It is more on Christmas spirit. Dito, parang yung kapag competition, there is still that competition. Pero yung mostly, yung mga lantern makers, they want to show out their material thing, yung kanilang art nga.